Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Next. Good morning.
Good morning, madam. Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, exercise 13.8. Question number. Tell me which question. That is question number 8, I think. No?
7.
7.
Sir, 7.
Question number 7. Question number 7 is the volume. We have to find out the volume of the sphere whose surface area. Okay. Surface area of sphere is given 154 centimeters. Surface area of sphere is 154 centimeter square. We need to find out the volume. So first of all, find out radius. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square is equal to 154. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. So r square will be equal to 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. 4 into 22. Right? So 11 twos are 22, 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 4, and 2 sevens are. That is r square is equal to 49 by 4. So therefore r is equal to under root 49 by 4, that will be equal to 7 by 2. Right? So radius is 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out volume of sphere. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r. 4 by 3 pi r. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Right? So 7 7 cancel. Then 2 2 are 4 and 2 2 cancel. Then 2 1s are 2 1s are. That is 11 into 7 7s are 49 by 3. So 49 ones are 49. 49 1 49, 49 1 50, 53 by 3. So if you want to divide, you can divide. 3 ones are 3, 2, 3 sevens are 21, 3 nines are 27, 3 six are 18, that is 179.3767 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the sphere. Okay. So please note
सर
down.
आप दूसरा क्वेश्चन बना रहे हो
क्या क्या
सर
बेटा?
ये 7 नहीं सर ये 7 नहीं
सर, सही क्वेश्चन करवा रहे हो?
आप लोग की आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही बेटा.
सर सही है सॉरी
Yes, what happened?
सर कुछ नहीं
13.8 question number 7. Now, the next question is question number 8. The question number 8 is a dome of the building is in the form of a hemisphere, right? A dome of the building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at the rate of 498.96. Right. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per meter square, then we need to find the inner surface area of the dome. So here you can see the cost is rupees 2 per meter square and total cost is 498.96. Okay. So what you will do, first of all write down question number 8. So it is given that cost of whitewashing is rupees 498 498.96 498.96 and and rate of whitewashing is rupees 2 per meter square. Right. So what will be the inner surface area of the dome? Just we will divide this because when the inner surface area is 1 meter square, right? When the rate is rupees 2, then area is 1 meter square. Then rate will be 498.96. Then area will be inner surface area will be equal to 498 divided by 2, right? So the first one is inner surface area, inside surface area of the dome, inside surface area of the dome will be equal to 498.96 divided by 2 meter square. Okay, so divide it. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are
Sir,
yes.
sir, it is 494,989.6.
No, 498.96. That is wrong. The actual cost,
Sir, उसमें
actual cost is rupees 498.96. 498 rupees 96.
sir 4989.6.
No, 4989 नहीं है. 498
No sir, 498.96 है
नहीं.
सर, सही लिखे हो आप.
It is given in my book, that is 498.96. Correct it now. उसको correct कर लो आप लोग.
सर आप सही लिखे हो.
Yes.
498.96 divided by 2 करेंगे. बोलो.
सर आप सही.
Yes. So inside surface area of the dome will be equal to 249.98 meters square. First answer, and you need to find the volume of the air inside the dome. So for volume we need radius. So what will be the inner inside surface area of the dome? Inside surface area of the hemispherical dome will be equal to 2 pi r square, because surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Then surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay. Then solve this. 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 249.48 meters square. So r square is equal to R square will be equal to 249.48 299.48 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 2 into 22 will be 18, right? Again cancel it by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 2 7s are and 2 4s are. Okay, and again by 11. 11 2s are 22, 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44. And again cancel it by 2. So 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, and 2 sevens are 14. Right? So R square will be equal to 5.67 into 7. So R square will be equal to 7 7 are 49 and 5.67. 11 2 5s are 2 6 2 5s are 2 6 are 2 7 ठीक है तो 7 7 are 49 7 6 are 42 7 6 are 42 42 and 4 46 carry 4 7 5s are 35 35 or 4 39 39.69 so R will be equal to under root 39.69 that will be equal to or do one thing 4 by 3 5 R3 will be 5 हाँ ठीक है तो स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लेंगे 39.69 का स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लेंगे that will be equal to 6.3 this will be equal to 6.3 6.3 right now volume of air we need to find volume of air inside the dome right so how will you find out we will find out volume of the hemisphere so volume second part is volume of air inside the dome will be equal to volume of hemisphere that is 2 by 3 pi r. Okay, so 2 by 3 value of pi is 22 by 7 and r is 6.3. So 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. So 7 9.
सर ये 2/3 कहाँ से आया?
हाँ?
ये 2/3 कहाँ से आया?
2 by 3 वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर इनसाइड द डोम उस डोम के अंदर में कितनी एयर है आपको निकालना है ना तो वॉल्यूम निकालना पड़ेगा तो वॉल्यूम मींस व्हाट वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इज 2 by 3 pi r cube right so 2 by 3 value of pi is 22 by 7 and r is 6.3 so 7 9 are 63 and this is 3 3s are 9 no 3 3s are 9 na yes 3 3s are 0.3 now solve this so 2 into 0.3 is 2 3s are 6 that is 0.6 into 6.3 into 6.3 multiply this 6.3 into 6.3 that is 39.69 39.69 ये देखो 39.69 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 6.3 आएगा ना 39.36 into 0.6 into 0.6 that is 23.814 that is 23.814 centimeter cube that is meter cube that is the final answer अच्छा, और एक चीज छूट गया हमारा, वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 22 इज मिसिंग ना. 0.3 into 2 is 0.6 into 22. 6.3, 6.3 is, ये छूट गया है हमारा. That will be equal to this will be equal to 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 0.3 into 39.69. Multiply this. So you will get what? You will get 44 into 0.3. 44 into 0.3 into 39.69. That is 523.891. That is 523.91 meter cube. This is the final answer, right? So please note down. आ रहा है समझ में आप लोग को? Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note down.
सर ये वाला नीचे में जो 3 पॉइंट है ना, वापिस से समझा दो ना.
कौन सा? ये वाला?
सर नीचे के जो लास्ट, सर वो वाली सेकंड में. नो सर.
ये वाला?
यस सर.
Volume of air inside the room. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r2. So 2 by 3. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Value of r is 6.3. It is r cube. Then we multiply 6.3 into 6.3. When you divide 7 by this, 7 9 are 63, 0.3, and cancel 3 by 0.9. That is 3 3s are 9, 0.3. Right? So 2 into 22 is 44. Into 0.3 and 6.3 into 6.3 is 39.69. Okay. When you multiply all this, you will get 23.91. Right? Completed? Shall I run this?
यस सर.
Okay.
यस सर.
And listen, I think you all have got your subject enrichment timetable. आपको मालूम है आपका subject enrichment का timetable?
यस सर, डेट आ गई है.
हाँ, तो when is your subject enrichment test paper? Test 7th of December, na? 7th of December is
Yes,
the
sir.
date of your maths enrichment.
Next Monday.
We will.
Yes.
What exactly this test will be? In that there will be 10 marks, 10 MCQ questions. Okay, and I will take only one chapter. I am taking, that is Heron's formula. Okay, I am writing here also.
For which chapter?
Subject enrichment test. Subject. Please note down somewhere. Subject enrichment exam or test. Date is 7/12/20 and time will be only for 10 minutes test. Okay, and we will share the link, and chapter will be chapter Heron's formula. Heron's formula, that is chapter number what? I think 12, na? Heron's formula?
12.
Sir, in
12.
it is written that half yearly exam portion will come.
हाफ ईयरली लिखा है बेटा, लेकिन हाफ ईयरली का हम नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि हाफ ईयरली ये जो चैप्टर है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है, इसलिए मैं ये चैप्टर लूंगा। हाफ ईयरली का तो आपका कोर्स हो चुका है, ठीक है, हाफ ईयरली का आपका कोर्स हो चुका है, हाफ ईयरली का चल लेना था, लेकिन मैं अब चेंज कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा उसको, एंड आई विल टेक फ्रॉम हेरोल्ड्स फार्मूला, ठीक है ना
मैम? सर सिर्फ ह्यूरन्स फार्मूला में ही आएंगे?
हाँ हेरोल्ड्स फार्मूला, हाँ एक चैप्टर का ही पूछेंगे। दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी
ओके सर।
and there are so many questions or variety, there are so many variety questions, that is why I will take your test from Heron's formula only. Please note down
Sir,
somewhere.
from NCERT.
NCERT पूरा complete NCERT, and apart from NCERT I can ask, ठीक है, उस फॉर्मूला वही रहेगा आपका, लेकिन क्वेश्चन कैन बी चेंज, तो क्वेश्चन आपका चेंज हो सकता है, ओके। सो go to NCERT already with example, okay, and this will be MCQ type, MCQ test, 10 question of 10 marks, maximum mark is 10, ठीक है, maximum mark is 10, note it down,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay।
सर अगर एनसीईआरटी बन गया तो टेस्ट हो जाएगा ना? एनसीईआरटी सॉल्व कर लिए तो टेस्ट में अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे ना?
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही ठीक से।
सर अगर हम एनसीईआरटी अच्छे से सॉल्व कर लिए
हाँ
तो टेस्ट हो जाएगा ना?
आराम से हो जाएगा, एनसीईआरटी ही बेस रहेगा आपका, एनसीईआरटी पूरा सॉल्व कर लोगे तो टेस्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है।
ओके।
Now next question is question number 9. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface are melted to form a sphere with the surface area s dash. 27 solid spheres, the radius r दिया हुआ है आपको and surface area is s, okay, and it is divided melted।
सर 13.9 सॉल्व करेंगे कि नहीं?
हाँ
13.9 सॉल्व करेंगे कि नहीं?
7.9 सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। So 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r centimeter. So out of question number 9, volume of each iron sphere, volume of each iron sphere is will be equal to 4/3 pi r cube,
हेलो, मुझे मत समझाओ।
right?
जिस क्लास में हूँ ना, उस क्लास में बहुत तबीयत से बाहर आया था मैं, इस स्कूल से भूला मत यार ये बात।
Please stop talking.
हाँ लब्धि ना, मैं सभी भी कह रहा हूँ, मेरा मत दिमाग खराब करा करो तुम सुबह सुबह। और देखी थी तो क्या वो कोई ऐसी पूर की परी है या कोई अप्सरा है वो जिसके बिना दुनिया मर रही है, उसके बिना दुनिया के वो एक लौती लड़की बच्ची इस दुनिया के अंदर देखी थी।
Volume of each iron sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, right? So volume of 27 iron spheres, therefore volume of 27 iron spheres will be equal to 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? When जब 1 का वॉल्यूम 4 by 3 है तो 27 का वॉल्यूम होगा 27 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Each of radius r and surface area s, and it is melted to form a surface area. ठीक है, form a sphere with the radius s. So let volume of new sphere will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. Why? Because the radius of the new sphere is assumed r. Let the radius of new sphere is r dash. So volume of new sphere will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. Okay, because its radius is r dash. Now, according to question, volume of new sphere is equal to volume of 27 iron spheres, है ना? क्योंकि 27 iron spheres को मेल्ट करके ये नया स्फीयर बना रहे हैं. We are melting the 27 iron spheres and we are making the new sphere. So volume of both the spheres will be same because the 27 iron spheres are melted and we are forming one big sphere of radius r dash. So volume of both the spheres will be equal. So that will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r dash cube is equal to volume of this is 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of this sphere. So both sides 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled. So r dash cube is equal to 27 r cube. So this can be written as r dash cube is equal to this can be written as 3 to the 9 to the 27 r cube. This is 3 to the, when you multiply 3r into 3r into 3r, you will get 27 r cube. Both sides will be cancelled. So r dash will be equal to 3r. Okay. So volume of the radius of new sphere will be equal to 3 times of the radius of the solid sphere. This is the first answer. Now we move on to second one, ratio of s and s dash. Right? It is given that what is given here? It is given here. Given that surface area of solid sphere is capital S, and assume that let the surface area of new sphere is S dash. Okay. So surface area of we need to find the ratio, na? Ratio of S and S dash. The surface area of solid sphere will be S. S will be equal to 4 pi r square, because radius of this sphere is smaller and surface area of new sphere is S dash. Here S dash will be equal to 4 pi and r dash square. Why? Because because its radius because surface area of new sphere is 4 pi r square. We need to find the ratio of s and s dash. We need to find the ratio of s and s dash. Okay, just a minute, I am filling my pen. So what we need to find? We need to find the ratio of s and s dash. Na? We need to find ratio of s and s dash. So s upon s dash. So s is 4 pi r square. S is, and this is 4 pi r dash square. So 4 pi cancel. 4 pi cancel. And what is remaining here? Remaining here r square upon r dash square. But as you know that r dash is equal to 3r, so we can substitute here. R square will remain as it is, and r dash is equal to 3r. 3r square. So r square upon 9r square. R square cancel, that will be equal to 1 by 9. Right? So therefore, s is to s dash is equal to 1 is to 9. This is the ratio between the surface area of the solid sphere and surface area of the new sphere. Right? Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please note down.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Note down.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last question is, a capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere, right? And diameter is 3.5 millimeters. It is very easy. So diameter of capsule is 3.5 millimeters. So therefore radius will be equal to 3.552 millimeters, right? Millimeter. Radius is 3.552 millimeters, and we need to find how much medicine is needed to fill the capsule. Means we need to find the volume of the capsule. Volume of medicine. Volume of medicine in the capsule will be equal to volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r. Just you substitute the value of R here and you will solve. So that will be equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 and R is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Now you will calculate this. This will be equal to 7 5 are 35 and 2 to the 2 cancel and 2 11. So 11 5s are 55, that is 5.5 and 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 and divided by only 3 is remaining here. So you will multiply this and divide, you will get millimeter cube. I hope you can do it. Okay? Multiply कर लोगे? Multiply 5.5 by 12.25 and divide by 2, you will get the answer. So this you have to do. कर लोगे? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 22.455 mm.
Okay. What is I don't know. You just multiply it and divide by 2. So please prepare for enrichment test. Okay. It will take hardly only 10 minutes test. And I'm giving very important chapter, that is Heron's formula. Heron's formula is very important. There are so many different figures are there. Right angle triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and area of parallelogram, area of rhombus, area of square, area of rectangle. So many questions are there, right? Related to this, that is why I am not taking the complete half yearly course. Because it is only 10 marks course, 10 marks test. So I am taking only one chapter. Okay. I will also send the message in your WhatsApp group that we are taking only one chapter. So prepare properly. So this chapter is also over, and your time is also over. So we will start the next chapter, that is chapter number 14, statistics from tomorrow. And be regular and punctual in your class, because many of you are not attending the class. Only 22 students are there. So this is very bad data. Okay, bye.